Full body exercises are the key to unleashing your fat burning potential. They are intended to stimulate your complete body in a single session, making them very efficient for individuals trying to lose fat and develop muscle simultaneously. Unlike split programs that target individual muscle groups, which may be time-consuming and less efficient for total fat reduction, full body exercises stimulate many muscle areas concurrently. This leads to a bigger metabolic disturbance, which means your body continues to burn calories even after you've done your exercise. This process, known as the afterburn effect, guarantees that your metabolism stays raised, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. By training several muscle groups, you promote muscular protein synthesis, which is critical for growing and maintaining muscle growth. This is particularly crucial when you're attempting to lose weight, since you want to guarantee that the weight you lose is fat, not muscle. When you lose weight, you want to shed fat, not muscle. Full body exercises help you do this by focusing muscle preservation. They guarantee that your muscles are continuously being pushed and strengthened. Moreover, complete body exercises are time efficient, instead of spending hours at the gym addressing different muscle groups. You may receive an efficient exercise that utilizes your complete body in a shorter period of time. This makes them excellent for individuals with hectic schedules. You can squeeze a full body exercise into your lunch break or even a fast session before or after work. The variety and effectiveness of these exercises make them excellent for anybody trying to optimize their results without sacrificing their schedules. This makes them excellent for busy persons who wish to optimize their outcomes without compromising their schedules. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or someone with a hectic lifestyle, full body exercises may fit smoothly into your regimen. Full body exercises are also beginning friendly. They give a solid basis for increasing general strength and fitness, enabling you to graduate to more strenuous exercises as you grow stronger. Starting with fundamental exercises like planks and lunges, you may progressively increase the intensity and complexity of your workouts. As you get more comfortable and confident, you may introduce larger weights and more sophisticated exercises like pull-ups and deadlifts. Whether you're new to fitness or a seasoned athlete, including complete body exercises into your regimen will expedite your fat reduction journey while keeping your hard-earned muscle. These routines are adaptable and can be altered to suit any fitness level and expedite your fat reduction journey while retaining your hard-earned muscle. So collect your enthusiasm and start implementing full-body exercises into your fitness plan immediately. You'll be astonished at the outcomes you can produce. Compound exercises are the cornerstone of efficient whole-body training. Unlike isolation workouts that target a single muscle area, compound exercises activate many muscle groups simultaneously. This results in a larger metabolic demand, resulting to increased calorie expenditure and fat reduction. Examples of compound exercises are squats, which target the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and core, making them a powerhouse for improving lower body strength and burning calories. Deadlifts involve the back, legs, and core, making it one of the most effective exercises for improving total strength and power. Push-ups, a basic bodyweight exercise, target the chest, triceps, and shoulders, increasing upper body strength. Upper body strength and physical endurance. Pull-ups focus the back, biceps, and forearms, strengthening upper body pulling strength and posture. And lastly, the overhead press stimulates the shoulders, triceps, and core, boosting upper body pushing strength and stability. By combining complex exercises into your complete body workouts, you may enhance muscle activation, improve your metabolism, and speed your fat loss results. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a strong technique for burning fat and maintaining muscle. It entails alternating between short bursts of vigorous activity and shorter recuperation intervals. This sort of exercise enhances your heart rate, improves your metabolism, and increases your body's calorie burning ability long after your workout is complete. HIIT workouts may be accomplished utilizing different activities, including sprints, which are short bursts of full-out running, followed by shorter recuperation intervals. Burpees, a complete body workout exercise that includes squats, push-ups, and leaps. Jumping jacks, a basic but efficient workout that boosts your heart rate. And mountain climbers, a dynamic workout that utilizes your core, shoulders, and legs. Incorporating HIIT exercises into your regimen will help you break past plateaus, raise your calorie expenditure, and expedite your fat loss journey. Here are some example full-body training routines intended to help you obtain best results. And whether you're a novice or an experienced fitness enthusiast, these routines may be adjusted to match your unique requirements and objectives. Warm up. Start with 5 minutes of easy exercise to get your heart rate up and your muscles heated. Follow this with dynamic stretching to prepare your body for the exercise ahead. Asterisk workout. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Squats are fantastic for improving lower body strength and exercising your core. Push-ups. Aim for 3 sets of as many repetitions as feasible. Push-ups are a wonderful method to train your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Pull-ups. Complete 3 sets of as many repetitions as feasible. Pull-ups are wonderful for improving upper body strength, especially in your back and biceps. Deadlifts. Do 1 set of 5 repetitions. Deadlifts are a strong workout for the whole posterior chain, including your back, glutes, and hamstrings. Burpees. Execute 3 sets of 10 to 20 repetitions. Burpees are a complete body workout that enhances your cardiovascular fitness and endurance. Cool down. Conclude with 5 minutes of easy cardio to gradually drop your heart rate, followed by static stretching to increase flexibility and help in recuperation. Warm up. Begin with 5 minutes of easy cardio, such as running or cycling, followed by active stretching to loosen up your muscles. Asterisk workout, overhead press. Perform 3 sets of 8-12 repetitions. This workout focuses your shoulders and triceps, helping to increase upper body strength. Lunges. Complete 3 sets of 10-12 repetitions each leg. Lunges are good for training your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Rows. Perform 3 sets of 10-12 repetitions. Rows are wonderful for strengthening your back and improving posture. Deadlifts. Do 1 set of 5 repetitions. This exercise is vital for increasing general strength and power. Sprints. Perform 6 rounds of 30-second sprinting, followed by 30 seconds of recovery. Sprints are fantastic for enhancing your cardiovascular fitness and burning calories. Cool down. Finish with 5 minutes of easy cardio to assist your body transition to a resting state, followed by static stretching to promote flexibility and avoid injury. These training routines are only samples, and you may change them depending on your fitness level and objectives. Remember, consistency is vital, and it's important to listen to your body and improve at your own rate. Okay, so diet plays a significant part in fat reduction and muscle maintenance. Without the correct nutrition, your body can't operate at its optimum, and your fitness objectives may be tougher to reach. To support your fitness objectives, it's necessary to eat a balanced diet that supplies your body with the nutrition it needs to heal, repair, and flourish. This involves integrating a variety of food categories to ensure you're receiving a broad range of vitamins and minerals. First, let's speak about protein. Protein is the building block of muscle, and it's necessary for both muscle development and repair. Protein is needed for creating and repairing muscle tissue. Without appropriate protein, your muscles won't recover adequately after exercises, which might inhibit your growth. Aim to ingest 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight every day. This might vary based on your exercise level and personal objectives, but it's a decent general guideline. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, lentils, and tofu. Incorporating a range of these sources will help you satisfy your protein requirements without growing tired with your meals. Next up, carbs. Carbohydrates give your body with energy. They are your body's primary source of fuel, particularly during high-intensity activities. Choose complex carbs over simple carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are absorbed more slowly, delivering a consistent supply of energy. Complex carbohydrates are found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. These meals also include fiber, which is crucial for digestive health. Now, let's not forget about good fats. Fats are commonly misinterpreted. Although they are important for your body's operations, healthy fats are crucial for hormone synthesis and general wellness. They also help you feel full and pleased after meals. Include sources of healthy fats in your diet, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats may enhance your heart health and support your exercise objectives. In addition to a balanced diet, it's crucial to remain hydrated by drinking lots of water throughout the day. Hydration is crucial to sustaining your energy levels and general wellness. Water helps regulate body temperature, distributes nutrients, and washes away waste materials. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, more if you're active. All right, so those are the fundamentals of fooling your body for fat reduction and muscle gain. Remember, consistency is crucial. Key, stick to your eating plan and make modifications as required. Remember, it's all about balance and making sure you're giving your body what it needs. Listen to your body, And don't be hesitant to seek guidance from a nutritionist or dietitian if you need help adjusting your diet to your individual requirements. Reads. Rest and recuperation are equally as essential as exercise and diet when it comes to developing muscle and shedding fat. When you train out, you cause small rips in your muscle fibers. These rips require time to repair and reconstruct, which is when muscle development happens. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of decent sleep each night. During sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is crucial for muscle repair and development. In addition to sleep, integrate rest days into your fitness plan. Rest days help your muscles to recuperate entirely and avoid overtraining. Active recuperation, such as modest aerobics or yoga, may also assist in recovery by boosting blood flow and minimizing muscular pain. Skipping warm-ups and cool-downs. Warming up prepares your body for activity, while cooling down helps your body return to its resting condition. Overtraining. Give your body ample rest and recuperation to avoid overtraining, which may lead to injuries and setbacks. Neglecting nutrition. Nutrition plays a critical part in supporting your exercises and increasing muscular development. Not getting enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for muscle repair and development. Comparing yourself to others. Focus on your own improvement and enjoy your triumphs. Set reasonable objectives, start with simple, reasonable objectives, and progressively increase the intensity and length of your exercises. Find an exercise companion. Having a workout companion may bring inspiration and accountability, make exercising pleasurable. Choose activities you like to make working out more sustainable. Track your progress. Monitoring your progress may help you remain motivated and make modifications to your program as required. Reward yourself. Celebrate your successes with new gym gear or a massage. Losing weight and growing muscle is a process that demands effort, consistency, and a comprehensive approach. By mixing full-body exercises, HIIT, right nutrition, and enough recovery, you may reach your fitness objectives and change your physique. Remember to listen to your body. Prioritize excellent technique above lifting huge weights and achieve modest development over time. Embrace the adventure and appreciate your victories along the way. With hard effort and perseverance, you may attain the slimmer, stronger, and healthier self that you've always dreamed.